Today, we're about to embark on an exciting expedition into the world of cryptocurrency wallet security. This information is not just intriguing, it's potentially life-changing. We're ready to pull back the curtain on the key security measures that can secure your digital treasure against cyber threats like hackers and scammers. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and seeing us here at Crypto Bookworm. If you're into all things cryptocurrency and NFTs, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to keep you up to date on the latest and greatest in the world of digital currency and assets. Take it from us, it is a wild ride. So buckle up and join us as we dive into the exciting world of crypto. We're gonna have some fun and learn how to stay ahead of the game together. With that said, let's get right into it. First off, what exactly is a cryptocurrency wallet? A cryptocurrency wallet can come in the form of an app, a service, or even a physical device like a USB stick that stores your public and private keys, keeping your crypto safe and secure. Unlike traditional banking or insurance institutions, crypto wallets don't have the backing of any central authority. Picture your public key as your bank account username and your private key as a password or PIN. Protecting these keys is paramount. Their loss can lead to the swift depletion of your wallet. Crypto wallets are typically equipped with robust security measures such as complex passwords and secret phrases. They aren't easy targets for hackers. However, given the recent surge in cyber attacks, it's wise to amp up your security game. Before delving into additional security measures, let's discuss hardware wallets or cold wallets. These wallets store your funds offline, away from the clutches of the internet. Devices like the Ledger Nano X offer advanced security features such as two-factor authentication, PIN codes, and recovery phrases. Think of them as your personal impenetrable vaults. Investing in a hardware wallet is a savvy move for those looking to securely store significant crypto assets. On the other hand, software wallets, also known as hot wallets, are connected to the internet, providing easy access to manage your crypto assets. Although not as secure as hardware wallets, they can still be safe options with the right precautions. To boost your software wallet's security, enable two-factor authentication, use a strong password, and regularly back up your wallet. They are ideal for those seeking quick access to smaller crypto amounts. In the end, the choice between hardware and software wallets hinges on your unique needs and risk tolerance. Next up, we'll explore the thrilling cat and mouse game between cryptocurrency users and cyber criminals, armed with their arsenal of advanced hacking tools and techniques. Let's review the best practices to secure your cryptocurrency wallet and turn the tide in your favor. First off, use a strong passphrase to access your wallet and never share it with anyone. Craft it like a master artist. Make it robust and unique, a mix of at least 12 characters, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Like the secret formula to a magic potion, guard it fiercely, sharing it with no one. This is the key to keeping your private keys under wraps and your wallet exclusively yours. Next, store your backup phrase in a secure location, such as a lockbox or safety deposit box. Keeping a backup phrase is essential, especially for hardware wallets that can be lost or stolen. The backup phrase allows you to restore access to your funds if needed. Before we venture further, if you're finding this journey thrilling and want to support our channel, hit that subscribe button. It not only helps our content reach more crypto enthusiasts like you, but also gives our team a fantastic morale boost. By the way, thanks for doing that. Now let's move on. Next up, you'll need to keep a strong password and change it frequently. In a surprising twist, a study reveals that a whopping 75% of millennials in the US use identical passwords across multiple devices. Now brace yourself for the shocker. The most common password is the laughably simple 123456. According to NordVPN's research, this password reigns supreme among the 200 most commonly used passwords worldwide. The time it takes to crack? A mere second. Imagine the devastation of having your hard-earned crypto assets safeguarded by such a password. Who would be at fault then? On the flip side, random passwords are like digital fortresses, giving hackers a run for their money. But remember, they should be stored securely if they're too complex to recall. Here are some nuggets of wisdom for crafting a formidable password. Blend alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Mix it up with lowercase and uppercase letters. Aim for a minimum of 8 characters and opt for randomness. Next up on our crypto security checklist, limit your crypto storage on exchanges. Think of exchanges like a public marketplace. It's not the place to stash all your valuables. If an exchange falls prey to a cyber attack, your crypto assets could be in jeopardy. So, act smart. Keep only the bare minimum needed for imminent transactions and withdraw the rest. Remember, excess in moderation is the mantra here. Moving on, stay informed about the latest crypto scams, hacks, and phishing attempts. Think of it as staying one step ahead of the game. Tune in to cryptocurrency news outlets Bookworm, for the latest updates. Also, some exchanges offer notifications for suspicious activity, which can help you take necessary steps to protect your funds. Knowledge is your best defense. Learn to recognize common phishing attacks and remain vigilant to dodge their traps. Onward to our next pivotal move. Conduct a thorough investigation of your chosen crypto wallet. Treat it like a crucial decision, because it is. Ensure the wallet you're eyeing upholds a stellar reputation and a solid history of safeguarding users' assets. Dive into those user reviews, explore the company's website, and scrutinize their security protocols. After all, your crypto wallet is your personal digital treasury, so choose wisely. We've also got your back with a detailed guide in our recent video, How to Choose Your Ideal Crypto Wallet. Be sure to check it out after this one for a complete walkthrough. Next up, embrace two-factor authentication, or 2FA, your digital guardian. 2FA adds an extra layer of security that makes breaking into your account as tough as scaling a fortress. You'll receive a verification code via message or email when someone attempts to log in. It's like having a secret handshake that hackers can't mimic. Beware though, they might try to sweet talk you into sharing it. Remember, never ever share your 2FA code, one-time password, or any other secret verification codes. No one from a legitimate crypto exchange will ask for these credentials. Last but definitely not least, avoid crypto scams on social media platforms. Picture this, you're engrossed in a YouTube video by a well-known crypto guru. Their channel is massive, boasting over 500,000 subscribers. Amid the comments, you spot a message from the channel owner inviting you to contact them via WhatsApp or Telegram. They promise an opportunity to invest and double your profits. Intrigued, you add the number and join their exclusive Telegram group. This feels like the golden ticket you've been waiting for. So you decide to take the plunge and transfer $500 worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another cryptocurrency, expecting it to double within 24 hours. Then you reach out to the YouTube creator to confirm receipt of your funds. Sorry, buddy, what funds? Is the response. Your heart sinks. What you've just experienced is a classic cryptocurrency scam. The person behind the opportunity was a fraudster impersonating the channel owner. This type of scam is so widespread that it's causing a stir among top crypto YouTubers who are urging YouTube to intervene. But whether or not YouTube steps up, the takeaway for you is clear. There's no such thing as easy money. Despite the glaring red flags, these scams ensnare even the wary. So let's all stay alert in our crypto adventures. By following these tips, you're empowering yourself to navigate the crypto landscape securely. Opt for hardware wallets, keep recovery phrases confidential, limit the use of online wallets and exchanges, and stay updated on security trends. These tactics will ensure your crypto adventure is both safe and rewarding. Now you're armed with the knowledge to guard your crypto wallet effectively. If you found this helpful, we invite you to dive into more of our content at cryptobookworm.com, your go-to source for all things crypto and NFTs. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you've gleaned valuable knowledge, and we can't wait to share more insights in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay savvy and stay secure.